just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes me. Hey guys, welcome back with a 5-star cooking. Now, as a Jamaican, we grew up on a lot of hard food, a lot of green bananas, yam, pumpkin, potatoes. So here I am today about to prep some Jamaican style hard boiled food with some curried chicken. Welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys. Here I am back. So along with the food, we normally make what we call dumplings. So I'll be showing you how I mix together a little salt, some all-purpose flour, and a little cornmeal. I am using a wooden spoon and I am using cold water to make a dough, which you will see later in the video I use to make what we call Jamaican style boiled dumplings. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. I give you a second to hit that subscribe button and also a second to like the video. Thank you guys. It is always free to give the video a like. This is what the dough looks like after I kneaded it. So here I am peeling some Jamaican style, we call it sweet potato. There I have my water boiling and I started my curry chicken process. I finished peeling my sweet potatoes and I'll be adding them to my boiling water with a little hint of salt. Then I marked my green bananas and of course I washed them before and I washed them after. I added them to my pot that is boiling. At this point, I tipped a little cooking oil in this. Here I am peeling the yellow yam. I tipped the oil in the pan so that the grease from the bananas won't stick in my pot. Yellow yam is an all-time favorite of mine. Although it is starchy, I don't care. I love my yellow yam. I remove the skin and you can cut this as small or as large as you want. This is the food that makes Usain Bolt, Asafa Powell, Shelly and Fraser. Yeah. All this country hard food made them the runners they are today. It did not make me a runner. Okay. So at this point, I started to put my yellow yam in the pot. And I get these hard food at the store to purchase. And I did squeeze some lemon juice in it. And I just dropped a piece of lemon in it because your girl will be drinking a little of the pot soup. Here I am now ready to add in the dough that I made. So I roll these in little balls. You can make them as big or as small as you want. And I will add them to my pot to boil. Lastly, I will add in carrot that I wanted to cook to eat. And some plantains. For the plantains, I don't want them to cook too soft. I just want the steam to steam the ripe plantains. So I just rest them on the top and I will cover and leave for at least 15 to 20 minutes to steam. My curry chicken is almost finished. My plantains are steamed, not a lot of water, and I'm about ready to remove them from the pot. My food is cooked at this point, and my curried chicken, I added some Irish and also some carrots and some hot pepper in my curried chicken. Dinner is served. So I added a little avocado on the side, a finger of green banana, some yellow yam, and some plantains, which I love it when it is cooked, especially if it is not soft. And I took a dumpling. I did not take any of the sweet potato. So I'm still trying to limit the starch intake by not having too much at this point. Let me tell you something. From the look of this plate, I was so hungry. I was working all day and I did not eat anything. Let me tell you something. I ate that food off. It tasted so good. Jamaican boiled hard food, especially this time. I love me a hard food. I love yellow yam, especially in soup, and I love it like this, fried up with bacala, also known as saltfish. Again, guys, thank you for coming. And there, your girl, because I was hungry, I did have a glass, or I would say a cup of some of the water that the food was cooked in. Yes, back home in Jamaica, I used to love to drink the pot water. Thank you.